Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back from my Europe trip, which has been a while, I know. And I thought, why not to start off with one of the videos that is probably the most watched on my channel, and that is the Bath & Body Works Empties. Now, I did finish Bath & Body Works stuff while I was on my trip, but I'm not going to bring trash back, especially because I was on the verge of being overweight and I had to buy another luggage, so I was like, I'm not bringing trash back. So I'll have some honorable mentions here and there, and then also I haven't updated my rolling Project Pan Bath & Body Works edition, so I have finished stuff up. You are going to see this first on this video, then I'll do the update just because I miss trash day, so I don't know what that has to do with anything, but let's begin. I have this giant bag right here. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing I finished off was a Country Apple body lotion. This was part of my rolling Project Pan. I'm not going to talk about this. You can go watch that whole video because I'll explain more about how I feel about it. So that is that. This isn't quite Bath & Body Works, but it's a lotion, so why not put it in here? This is the Aroma Resort Body Milk, and the scent was Pineapple and Gardenia. My Japanese exchange student left this. It kind of smelled like it could have been conditioner, but it was definitely a body lotion, but it has like a conditioner scent. So yeah, it only had about like that much when she left it. After she left us, now we have a boy, so the boy doesn't have products that we can talk about. Yeah, I just used it up, and that's all I really had to say about this. I didn't quite finish my Wild Honeysuckle. I put it in a different container and like mashed up some highlighter in there. I've explained that 1,000 times, so I don't think I need to like re-explain it, but that is that one. I did finish up my travel size Sunshine Days of body lotion. If you don't know, this is one of my favorite discontinued scents of Bath & Body Works. I actually finished up the full size body cream when I was in Europe. I took it with me, and sadly it was expired because it didn't smell like Sunshine Days, which was very sad because I had been holding on to that for so long. And then I was like, you know what, let me bring it to Europe. I didn't even smell it before I took it. And then once I put it on the first time, I was like, oh, she bad. I still use the whole thing up anyways. I just couldn't, like, I could smell it on me, like, fine, but the second I put my nose up to it, I can smell that it was a little off. And I did end up, of course, using the travel size. I do have regular body lotions, full sizes, and those tend to, like, not go bad as fast as the body creams. This was the Sheer Cotton Lemonade. I believe this was in one of my rolling Project Pans. This smells divine. I've gone through 2 of these body creams before, and then I had like the souffle. I like this. If I ever see it when I'm back to purchasing body lotions, which I'm trying not to though, because I want to try to go low waist / zero waist. But if I ever run into it and I haven't made that transition, I would purchase it. I just have so much lotions to go through that I don't have time for that. This was the Peach and Honey Almond Fine Fragrance Mist. This was in my rolling Project Pan. Again, I didn't really care for the scent. I'm not going to repurchase it. It was too warm for me, like kind of smell, I don't know, there's something about like warm fragrances on me that kind of just like smell like BO on me, so I had to be really careful, and this one was kind of like borderline that, so I would get compliments on it, but like when I would smell it, it just didn't smell good, so I'm not interested in it, but I used it up nonetheless, and I smelled good apparently to other people. This was the Beautiful Day travel size body lotion. Use that up. I have a couple more. It's not anything to die for. I mean, it's good, but it's just not one of my favorites of Bath & Body Works. I also used up the Bath & Body Works Spring Poppies and Picnics foaming soaps. It's been so a while since I filmed that I'm kind of like, when this collection came out, it was this one, and there was a blue bottle that I fell in love with, that I've never fallen in love with like soaps from collections before, but I've gone through 2 bottles. This is the second bottle I've gone through of this one, so I definitely like it and would purchase it if I ever see it again. Moving on with my bag, this was the Love and Sunshine travel size shower gel. I liked it. I have more. It's one of like of the things that they have like permanently, it's high up there on what I do like. It's besides Hello Beautiful, everything else is kind of like meh to me, and then I just rely on like holiday traditions and see what I like from the new collections. I also finished Oahu coconut shower gel on my trip. I brought 2 of those. One is in my shower right now, and it's halfway used up, but I did use up on the other one on the trip. Speaking of Oahu coconut sunset, here is the fine actually it's the eau de toilette that I also had in my project, so that is a sneak peek. Let me throw that over there. I enjoyed it. I don't think I would purchase it, but I wouldn't doubt that it would come into my possession again. So then would I purchase it? I don't know, but the point is I liked it. I enjoyed it. If you like coconut and sweetness, I think that's a very good traditional springtime fragrance that Bath & Body Works always brings back. Oh, I also have Hawaii Passionfruit Kiss that I also used up in my project pan. This was okay. It was a little more sweeter, a little too sweet for my taste. It was super good, but I definitely would have loved this like 3-4 years ago in my sweeter phase. I don't know. I kind of am moving on from the super sweet ones. I have a wax melt of, this is Fresh Sparkling Snow. I did finish the candle, I believe, in like my last Empties or 2 Bath & Body Works Empties ago, and I usually like take the wax out of the candle and then reuse it as wax melts on my candle warmer, and that's what this was. And yeah. Okay, this is Rose Water and Ivy portable car scent. I really like 3 weeks of not filming. It's technically like a whole month because I pre-recorded stuff. A whole month really like throws you off your game. That's how I feel right now. Rose Water and Ivy. I could still smell it, but I wasn't smelling it in my car, so yeah, it's a light fragrance. I'm not that big on the car portables. I think I have 1 currently in my car, and then I have 2 more left, and then I really need to like, I always say I'm gonna stop buying them, but then I'm like, somehow I always end up buying them, but I hate them because they don't really work that well. So I need to stop. But so I think this is gonna be like my last time, because like if I don't smell it in my car, other people say they can smell it in my car, but I can't, and it's like, it's for me, it's not for them. Okay, I have Wallflowers. This was Sundress. It is one of my favorites, home fragrance things that Bath & Body Works makes, and it's gone, and I don't believe I have any more. And I don't like the Wallflowers because they just don't work anymore for me. Like, they work halfway and then like they're out, and Bath & Body Works just sent out a coupon for a Wallflower and a plug bundle, and I'm like trying to like, no, I don't need it. I don't. But it's $6, and I'm like, oh, should I and should I not? I shouldn't. That's the thing, I shouldn't. But I'm tempted, but I shouldn't. And then I have these other 2, which I did not label because I thought I was gonna do this before I left. So I'm not even gonna try to tell you what they are because this smells like coconut. I think this was coconut water, which sounds about right. And then this one was Fiji White Sands. Boom, I did it. I solved the mystery. And that's gonna be all for my Bath & Body Works Empties this time around. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little Empties. I just want to say this is probably going to be my new background. I used to, like, sometimes I'll film on my Canon G7X, which is what I'm filming on now, that I have a tripod for. And then other times I filmed on, like, my iPhone X. And there's nowhere in this room now where I could film it with good lighting and like the height situation. Like, I can't do it. So this is gonna be good because I purchased the G7X for my YouTube and the tripod and everything, and now this is my only option to film. Like, I just couldn't, it's like such a hassle to try to figure out something with my other form of filming, even though I find it's faster. But you know, quality is better, audio I hope is better, and this is what it's for. So this is gonna force me to do my G7X camera for videos now, even if it takes a little longer to edit and upload, just because with the iPhone X it was really fast. But yeah, I'm back. This is gonna be my new background. My room is completely different, and let me tell you, like, unpacking like everything, because if you don't know, I had to pack my room up for certain situations that I've explained in a lot of videos before, but packing it, like unpacking it, I was like, I have so much stuff, like I don't want to do this. I have too much. I need to get rid of it all. So that's another like thing I'm trying to overcome. So this is like the clearness. I can do it right now, but you don't know what's going on behind you. And yeah, so I'm glad to be back. I hope you guys are glad that I'm back, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.